I'm Milosz Krasinski, Managing Director at Chili Fruit Web Consulting Agency based in London, specializing in off-page SEO, link building and digital PR. My agency works with diverse clients across the globe, various clients and various websites, running outreach and digital PR campaigns. While we don't use JetOctopus on a daily basis, there are times that we wouldn't be able to accomplish some tasks without this magic tool. For example, once we have been asked by a client to crawl the entire Forbes.com to identify the most valuable pages created by external contributors. Can you imagine doing so? JetOctopus also helps us to identify competitors, large websites, and look for their SEO technical weaknesses and benchmark it with a client. Knowing crawling limitations of other more popular crawlers. Without JetOctopus, this would cost us a fortune. That being said, JetOctopus is not only a tool for technical SEO and improvements, but I let your imaginations wander. Thanks for watching.